Welcome to planetgoals.com. In the previous tutorial we learned how to make a new content type. Now once we create a content, it won't be seen unless and until we actually link that content to a link. For example, if we have created an article with name article 1, it won't be accessible unless and until we link that node, we link that article by a particular link, by adding that link to main menu, or we can also type in a href tag, html href tag to your page, and we can link that article. Now suppose there are like 10 editors filling in around 100 of content, 100 of articles per day, so it is practically impossible to link each and every article to your page. So for that we can use a new module that would list all the articles. For example, if the editor is typing in a content, typing in articles every day, that would give you the list of all the articles once it is entered in the site. For that we would be using a module named views, which you would see under site building. For now I have already enabled the module, installed and enabled this module, and I have also filled few data, like 5 articles I have filled already. What I'll do is I'll create a view, I'll click on add view, I'll name it article, make sure when you add it you keep the radio button at node, because you want to show the node is nothing but your article. Now the view page is open. You will see the first column with defaults. You have to click on add display. You can select page as your display and click on add display. Now coming to second column, you would see basic settings, where you can name your page as article, you can give a title again article. You have few more things here, like items to display per page, like you can show 10 articles in your page. If it exceeds the number of 10, you can also add a pagination to your page. I'll repeat, we are making a page that would list all the articles automatically once it is entered. Now it would give you a list of something, of articles. Now you see fields, what you want to show on that page. You want to show the article title, so you can add the article title by clicking on the plus button on fields. You can select the drop down node and check the link node title, and update it. Click on save. Now one more important thing that we need to do is create a path for that particular page. We will make it article and update it. You can save this particular page and open up in a new tab. you see the list of articles are listed here. But we see there is a page content that was created, that is also showing up. We just want to list articles. For that we can add a filter. You can click on node, select node type, as we just want a node type article to appear. You will see all the current node types would be listed here. You can click on the checkbox article, update it, and then save it. Now go back to your page and refresh your page. See, now only the list of articles are appearing in your site, in your list. But this has a label title. If you want to remove this title label, we will go back to the views, click on node title. We had an option of label here which we'll remove it, that is not required. We'll update it. Make sure you always save it or it won't be. After updating, you always have to save your view or it won't affect the changes. Okay, anyways, you see only the title name is appearing, but this looks so raw, it is not even linked to its node. So what we'll do is click on it. We have an option here that states link this field to its node. We'll just click on that, update it, and save it. And now refresh your page. See, this is how your list would appear. We will add one more field, say body. We don't want to show the entire body. We'll select as node body. We'll remove the label. And now we don't want to show the entire body, we would just like show the first liner. So we would trim first liner of each body. So we would trim the body, update it, and save it. Now refresh your page and check. This is how, once you keep adding your articles, it would be listed here one by one. You can actually link this page, this particular link, to some main menu item so that you can access this page. You keep creating articles and it would be listed here. This is how the views work. I would show you few more tricks and views in the next tutorial. Thank you.